Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Mr. Omar, and I am your student's pre-IB 9 English teacher. My contact information is omar@nsd.org. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'm really excited to welcome this new crop of students to Inglemoor High School. We've been 3 weeks deep now into the school year, and it's been going really well. I'm excited and I'm looking forward to the rest of the year. So, why do I teach? I teach because I strive to provide students with a memorable high school experience. I understand high school is difficult to maneuver through. There are a lot of growing pains, and if I can help students, support them, provide them with um, an opportunity to succeed, and give them a memorable high school experience, um, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. Um, I teach because I want to nurture the social and emotional needs of students, and most importantly, develop the reading, writing, and communication skills of students. These are important life skills that are helpful not only in English class, but in life beyond high school and outside of the classroom. Reading, writing, communication is so important. So we're going to be working on that together in class. Classroom philosophies. I strive to have a student-centered classroom. The students come first, the needs of the students come first. Therefore, our classroom is centered around the students and the needs of the students. And it's really important to build relationships because we spend a lot of time with each other. We spend a lot of time in the classroom together, and it's really important that we motivate each other, that we help each other, support each other, care for each other, and build each other up. And also having an inclusive learning environment. It's important to include students and not exclude students. It's really difficult to strive and to learn in an environment that's maybe not safe and excluding. Therefore, we do our best when we are in an inclusive environment. And these are the classroom philosophies that pillar our class. So, in this class, students will be reading, writing, analyzing text, graphic novels, poetry, research projects, and this is really going to help them build the skills that they need for other English classes, but also for life beyond high school. So if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me at omar@nsd.org. I look forward to connecting with you all. Peace, love, and positivity, and I will be in touch.